Hi friends, let me tell you one thing today. Speaking English is not at all a difficult task. It is really a stereotype or an unorthodox feeling in India that we cannot speak English. India was colonized by Britishers. They left us with various things, and English is one of the contribution of the Britishers. We Indians are so much fascinated towards English that if someone is not good at English, then if working in a good place, either in a private sector or in a high post in a government sector, then people criticize them. But it should not be. If your country is powerful, then it's not mandatory to speak in English. Just take example of France, Russia, Italy, Spain. They are doing good. Take example of Japan, China. But in India, we are told by our parents, our elders, that we should speak English. It's all right. You can learn English easily. I have been taught in a state board school where there was no better facility, and in Odisha, Odia is the first language and English is the second language. So we have been taught English from class 3 onwards. But I had always a curiosity to learn English. And for that, what you have to do? You have to read books, you have to read magazines, you have to read novels, you have to watch out some of the good media channels like CNN, Fox News, BBC, Al Jazeera. When your stock of knowledge will be good, your vocabulary will be enriched, and you can speak fluently, you can speak spontaneously. In India, what happens? We translate our mother language into English, then we speak. So it's become difficult for us. But when your vocabulary will be enriched, then you can speak fluent English. Don't be hesitated over the accent and don't think what you are going to speak. Just take example of Shashi Tharoor. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was one of the vibrant speaker or orator in English. If you want to learn English, then don't be hesitated. Just enrich your knowledge. Just watch out some good channels, news channels. Automatically you can speak good English. For that, what you have to do? You must accompany some good people around you who are better in English. Then automatically your communication skill will increase. For that, you must have the skills of rich vocabulary. Then only you can speak better. Thanks.